Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Glory be to the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of my salvation, my King, my fortress, my shield, my buckler. When I pray to the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, that every knee shall bow down to the name of Yeshua HaMashiach, HaDuhot Kadosh. Glory, glory, glory to the Most High.